Hey everyone! If you're looking to how to create a WhatsApp channel, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to show you how to create your very own WhatsApp channel, a fantastic way to share updates and information with your audience. And let's dive in. Encourage viewers to subscribe and hit the like button if they find the video helpful. Understanding WhatsApp channels. But first, let's understand what WhatsApp channels are and why they're so beneficial. WhatsApp channels allow you to share updates and content with a select group of subscribers, all in one place. Getting started. To get started, make sure you have the latest WhatsApp update installed on your device. If you don't have it yet, don't worry. WhatsApp is gradually rolling out this feature to users in 150 countries, so you might need to wait for the next update. Accessing WhatsApp channels. Now, open the WhatsApp app and click on the status icon. In this section, you'll find the Updates area. Here's where you'll access WhatsApp channels. Exploring existing channels. Take a moment to explore the existing channels and consider subscribing to ones that interest you. This is a great way to stay informed and engaged with content that matters to you. Creating your own WhatsApp channel. Now, the exciting part. If you have the update, you'll see a pen tool icon. Click on it to create your very own WhatsApp channel. Give your channel a unique name and let your creativity shine. Posting updates. Once your channel is set up, you can start posting updates and content for your subscribers to see. It's a fantastic way to share news, updates, and more, all in one place without cluttering your personal chats. Engaging with followers. Remember to engage with your followers. Encourage them to interact, ask questions, and provide feedback. Building a community around your channel can be incredibly rewarding. Conclusion. In conclusion, WhatsApp channels are a fantastic way to stay connected and share content with your audience. Keep an eye out for that update, and when it arrives, use the pen tool to create your channel. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech updates. You can also follow me on social media for the latest news and feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts in the comments below.